all my favorite people. Today we're going to be talking about percent increase and decrease, or what we call percent change. So there is a formula for percent change, and that is going to be change divided by what I like to call the OG, or the original, times 100. So change divided by original times 100. Let's look to see what that actually looks like. So in our first word problem, it says Amazon stock prices in 2018 were $53.75 and increased to $89.80 in 2020, right? All that pandemic online shopping. What was the percent increase in Amazon's stock prices? So we want to know the change. So really we're taking big minus little. So we're going to take the big price minus the little price, right? So change, the difference, divided by the original. Well, what came first in time? 2018 came before 2020, so we're going to use 53.75 as the original, or the OG, dollar value. So in our calculator, we literally can just type this in, 89.90 minus 53.75. Now, it kind of helps to put that in parentheses. So let's go ahead and do that, because now when I divide it, it takes that whole thing to the top. Divided by 53.75, I'm going to go out of the fraction bar to hit my times 100. And just like that, I have 67 point yada, 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 yada. Let's round this to the nearest whole number. So Amazon stock went up 67% during all that crazy pandemic shopping, right? That makes sense. It increased. So did Jeff Bezos's bank account, I'll tell you that. He's the owner of Amazon. All right, let's look at this one. It says, at Larkspur, there were 75 pre-algebra students during the 2019-2020 school year, and there are 64 pre-algebra students this school year. What was the percent decrease in pre-algebra students? So again, we're looking for change. So we're going to take big minus little divided by, and we want the original, whatever came first in time. Well, 2019-2020 school year was last year. 2020-21 is this year. So what came first was that 75. And again, we're going to multiply that by 100 to find that percent. So let's go to our calculator. 75 minus 64. Now, if I don't use that fraction bar, we just see right here, you see how it kind of just only does that second number? That's fine. I can go in and I can type in that other stuff, which is just kind of why I like to use the parentheses, right? That way it kind of groups everything together. But it's okay. I can fix it if not. So I'm going to divide by 75 and then again times 100 because I want that percent. And I get that 14.6 repeating. So I can write 14.6 repeating. Or if it asks for the nearest percent, I could say that there is a 15% decrease, right? Because it went from a higher number to a lower number. So there was a 15% decrease. All right, just remember, change divided by original times 100. Let me know if you have questions. Love ya. Bye.